Hi guys, I am back again and this is the part 3 of the tutorial how to make finding treasure in Buildbox. So, check it out. And we will go to the game. And we just need to code this man per skeleton. Look, we can make it like we have to its character dynamic it's right. We have to make it like this. Make it small. Make it small. I'm sorry. It's not too big. This is the character. It's the big. I think it start on this. It's nice, and we have to make this skeleton is in front of all of this. This the decorated the decoration. Think we will make it in the metal barrel I think. Yep, this is right. Like this we just code it. For the first you will take move. It is right, yes. For the move is 7 non and 0. 7 non 0. If you want to make it more fast, it's okay, but I will test it first. Is it uh, like wait. Oh, this is what is it the name? This is move. Yeah, move. So is it move? I think I will make it more big, and I will is to think just like this. I'm sorry, I always customize it again. Okay, I will make it like this because I think it's too far if we make it like before. Okay, just like this. We will go back again and if we make it 10, it's more. I think it will be more fast, but I think 7 is nice. Not too fast and not too slow. Look, if 10 is too fast, like so, we just make it 7. And I think for this part, we will focus how to make it move and have an animation. So for the next, we can make it uh, run. We have to make it how to make it run. For the first, we will take state state machine. This on advanced on this. Look the second state machine. Just take it. Okay, it's lagging because I open either I open OBS and Buildbox. We will make it like this. Just make it like this. State. There's a plus, so just make it plus to state. Like this. After that, we can make it like this. Like walk animation in this side and jump like animation in this side. And we make it what I'm doing. Make the start is connect to the start like that. Yeah, like that it's right. After that, step 1 go to the enable the right walk animation After that, the jump is connect enabled to this side. After that, the end is connect to this. Yeah, it will make you crazy because this cable is like that. Yeah, you know what I mean. Yes. After that, we can taste it first. Tasting it. Play this move or not. Oh, what is? Hey, what? Oh, this is not the preview. Okay, we have to wait. What will we look? We have the what I'm doing. We have the animation of his walking, his run. I mean, right. What is the name? Right walk animation. So that is the name. And if you want to make it jump, you have make it hold. Have to make the jump block. Don't just make the animation block. If there's animation, you just have the animation, but you cannot jump. After that, you can make this touch. Touch is in blue, or you can search it. For the easiest way is you just like search touch or what anything or anything. Yes, it's more easy. After touch is you make it right here. Then you can make the like this. Create, make it enable. Put in to start, and we can search jump in here. Jump like this is jump. There is two column. Put in front of and make it press it jump. For the jump, make it none. Don't make it if you use this jump force angular. I think the name jump force angular. You will like jump and spin in the same time in the sky. I will show it later after I testing it. Will testing. Wait. We can jump. Look, we can jump, but it's too over. What I uh, if we make it like this, look, then you will spin in the sky like this. Spin, spin. I mean spinning. You will spin. And for the next, we can make to the mind map to the 2D world. Gravity make it 20. For make the jump is not too high. And I will test it again. Look, the jump is not too over, but I think this is too small. Then I will make it 18. I think. Yeah, we have to customize it again. For the easiest way, we just make it like this. Make it one holder and make it one. Like this. Yep, this is right. Smash it again like before. Just like this. And we will sew it. I think this is more better. Yeah, this is more better. Look in the screen. Yeah, it's better than before, I think. Yeah, and I think that's all from me. And don't forget to save the game. And that's all from me. The last I say, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. And I will make it in the next part for duplicating the scene and make the character can die. So, thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.